We are live, and I'm at the website of the National Center for Excellence in the Teaching of Mathematics. And I've been reviewing the program for the Digital Technologies Conference 2013 to be held at the Institute of Education in London, I think this month, February. I noticed something. And I've noticed this because one of my research participants in my MPhil project has pointed this out. I like looking at this team for this National Center for Excellence in the Teaching of Mathematics, and I notice 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 8, 9 women, 2, 4, 6 men. So 9-to-6 ratio, everyone is white, and that is the National Center for Excellence in Teaching of Mathematics. 9 white women and 6 white men. More women than men, more white than non-white. So I've used race and sex to distinguish people here on the leadership team. And I cannot tell the color of the skin of these people that I see here, but I have a feeling they're all going to be white. But if we look at sex, if we can determine things through names, it seems as if there are just as many women here as men, and I think that's very, very encouraging. And it's curious to see which organizations they represent as well, if they represent schools or businesses. Seems like all these people are men. Maybe she's a Jill or a Gil, but mostly men here. A woman, Beluga Learning, so we don't know who. Maybe a few women here, so it's alright. It's okay. I see this here, and then the teach meets. Now this is a bit more interesting because I think teachers should be running this. Yet some people from companies here. Seems that there are men here, more men than women here, and more men than women here. More men than women here. So it's very curious to note that, well, it seems that there are more women than men on this leadership team for the National Center for Excellence in Teaching of Mathematics, and that might be representative of the actual teaching profession in this context, or perhaps most of the teachers in this nation are white and female. Start seeing, oh hello, we start seeing a few different things here where there seem to be more men in these workshops, perhaps because they come from industry. And then we see even more men coming out of the woodwork from education, schools, men from schools, even primary schools. What does that actually mean? Here we can see that most of the people of the organizers of these teach meets are men and from schools. And I think that's statistically significant. So that's something on my mind and something worth researching. This curious phenomenon that I observe, where for this Digital Technologies Conference, again, keywords digital technologies, we see lots of men coming out of the woodwork from the schools. There's some meaning in that.